Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Xfinity Stream on your smart projector, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy live TV and on-demand content on a large screen. Step 1. Ensure your smart projector is properly set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. A stable internet connection is necessary for streaming. Step 2. Access the App Store or application menu on your smart projector. Different projector brands have different interfaces, so look for an apps or streaming section. Step 3. Search for the Xfinity Stream app in the available applications. Use the search function or browse through entertainment categories. Step 4. Download and install the Xfinity Stream app on your projector. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Open the Xfinity Stream app once it's installed. You'll see options to sign in or activate your device. Step 6. Select the Sign In or Activate option. An activation code will be displayed on your projection screen along with a website URL. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Xfinity Stream activation website at xfinity.com/authorize or the URL shown on your screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your projector screen and sign in with your Xfinity account credentials. Your projector will automatically refresh and you can start streaming Xfinity content on your large projected display. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.